You're tuned in to a special Grammy edition of Now Listening, the podcast that brings you the best of the beat, the vibe, and everything in between. I am Sam Johnson, and today I am accompanied by avid music listeners Owen, Marion, Calvin, and Jacob. On this special edition of Now Listening, we will have categories from the Grammys, and each one of our avid music listeners will give their prediction on who they think should have won. But then, at the end, we will tell you about the true winners of the Grammys. So first, we're going to start off with Owen with New Artist of the Year.
Yeah, so there's a lot of good nominations in this category. Some of them including Chappell Roan, Ray, Doechii, Teddy Swims, and Benson Boone. But my prediction that who I thought should have won is Sabrina Carpenter, just because she is one of the biggest pop artists of the 2020s, and she's put out a lot of good music, but she's not really new, but with her popularity, I think she's going to take home the award.
And then going on to Marion, Song of the Year. What do you think?
So just like any other category, there were some very great and competitive songs up to win. To name a few, we got a bar song Tipsy by Shabuzi, we got Birds of a Feather, Billie Eilish, Fortnite, Taylor Swift, Good Luck Babe, Chappell Roan. Personally, I thought Please, Please, Please by Sabrina Carpenter is up to win the Grammy. I think Sabrina's doing some amazing things, and this song was really hooked. I think everybody might be had to listen to it at least once or twice or 5 times.
And then going on to the next one, Record of the Year, Calvin.
All right, so Record of the Year is a little bit different than Song of the Year. Song of the Year is more about what's more popular, and Record of the Year is more about the production and performance of the song. Some a variety of nominees here. We got Billie Eilish, we got the Beatles, we got Kendrick Lamar, Charlie XCX, Sabrina Carpenter, and Beyonce. I think of these, 360 by Charlie XCX probably has got the best production, performance-wise. Maybe Birds of a Feather. I mean, Billie Eilish sang really beautifully in that song. Those are my thoughts, I think, if we're just thinking about the production.
And then last but not least, Jacob with Album of the Year.
Sam, it means a lot that you leave me with the most prestigious and significant award out of all 4 of us. It does mean a lot. And this award, similar to like Calvin said, this is not only just to the performer, but as well as the production team. And honestly, I'm thinking, who could stop Taylor Swift and the Swifties? I mean, they've got a producer like Jack Antonoff who's won awards in the last 3 years. I mean, really, who can stop Tay-Tay? But there's other contributors as well. There's Andre 3000, there's Beyonce, there's Sabrina Carpenter. But, I mean, it's Taylor Swift. She's taken over more than just the music industry at this point. Got to see.
Now we're going to loop back around to each category and for sure say who the winner was for the Grammys. So, Owen, back with Best New Artist.
Yep, so the winner of Best New Artist went to Chappell Roan, which honestly I don't really see it as a surprise, as she put out one of the most popular songs of this year in Good Luck Babe, and then she released a beautiful project back in September 2023, and she has a lot of potential. She's one of the biggest up-and-coming artists. She's got over 40 million monthly listeners on Spotify. I think she's going to have a good career path ahead of her.
Yes, completely. And then we're going to go on to Song of the Year, Marion.
So as a surprise to any rap fan, specifically our host Sam, not like us, Kendrick Lamar won. I'm content with this win. I think he deserved it. It made his 4th Grammy of the night. So definitely something to be proud of. It's a big thing.
Especially not like us getting over 1 billion streams in this past year. So great thing for Kendrick Lamar. Next we're going to go on to Calvin for Record of the Year.
Yeah, so another one of those 4 Grammy wins for Kendrick Lamar came in Record of the Year. He almost got a complete sweep of the Grammys. I mean, he was killing it this year, which makes a lot of sense. I mean, it was pretty much the year of Kendrick Lamar last year and the beginning of this year. Not like us, I mean, took everyone by surprise. Performance-wise, I'd say definitely it's got a chance to be one of the best. Production-wise, I mean, I think it's pretty good sounding Kendrick Lamar song. But it was definitely very popular and changed the game a little bit. So
Also, with Not Like Us winning, again, like what y'all were saying before, 4 Grammys, tying with Drake, with also it being the first diss track to win this many Grammys. So I also believe that as well. Going on to the last but not least again, Jacob, Album of the Year is our winner.
I know we talked about it last week, and I know I predicted Taylor Swift, but the right person won. I love Beyonce, man. I love her so much. She deserved this award for Cowboy Carter. Between Daughter and Riverdance, all of those songs are phenomenal. She absolutely deserved this. And let's remind ourselves of the numbers. She lost in 2010, she lost in 2015, 2017, 2023, and she came back with a vengeance. She's riding on her cowboy horse with her cowboy boots and her cowboy hat now with that Grammy in her pocket. She deserved that award, and she's taking it home. Love Queen Bee.
I agree too. We love Queen Bee, and especially because she did also win Best Country Album and Best Country Duo group.
Not a country artist.
We got some haters in here. But that is it. That'll be a wrap for the special Grammy edition of Now Listening, and we will catch you next week when we bring you coverage of the halftime show of Super Bowl 59. Kendrick Lamar, just talking about We're Not Like Us. And thank you for listening.